quick intermission. Had to go to my auntie's birthday because of the cancellation. Why not? And so yeah, we went to Dunn's River. Gotta go grab the change, get prepared for the next show.
Yeah, I like that. I'm keeping it in cut. It's free and I'm keeping it in cut.
You're letting me go.
What do you think about that?
Okay.
Alright.
You didn't go to the party.
What party?
Let's go to Auntie's party!
Shout out to Auntie. We went on a little field trip because we had a cancellation. But Auntie souped us up with these cupcakes. Period. I don't really like icing that much, but you know, busting. It's definitely giving Publix.
The other one.
The red one, bonnet one.
Oh, flawless.
And then we got, who next? Rain Exotica. Should be an interesting one.
Rain.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you have to
Oh, okay. Oh, we want to confession.
Yeah.
This drink, it was amazing. You know, I do that again for long. It has peaches and grapefruit juice with, of course, tequila. So bomb. And cheers. Alright.
Your ass ain't supposed to be drinking yet. But drink, man. You can do whatever you want to do.
I'm sorry, that's just so good. It's like refreshing. It don't even taste like
Kiante definitely got high during the interview and couldn't even function.
the weed. She like that. Oh yeah.
So she's not allowed to smoke on set anymore. She's not allowed to smoke the whole time. Probably taking drugs from her. So I'm probably just gonna nip that in the bud for her. Cause yeah, she just like, I'm like, is this bitch? Are you here? You know, she pulled through.
Life. Not even life.
Not giving life.
She definitely threw shots. She was like, oh, this interview is better than your interview. So
Yeah, it's depressing. We're bringing back all the good interviews.
No, I turned it all the way off.
You turned it
Why
off.
did you do
that?
Rain, I'm so sick of you acting like we don't fucking talk this.
I know, but I forget
every time.
I still get it. I just finished up the interview. It was amazing. Like, she is so funny and had like really good questions. So I think the interview is gonna be great. So make sure you watch it. Yeah, we got a little buzz because I brought some smoke and now I'm a little high and tipsy off this bomb ass drink. Yeah, I even named it Kiki on the River because it's so good. I don't know, what should we name it? Kiki on the River or Peachy Kiki?
This did Rain. She was before her time. So shout out to Rain for being on time. I really appreciate that. And she brought me something from her fitness line. So, let's open it real quick. Oh, this is a lot. This is a lot. Oh, right. Rain. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all one. And it's crazy because I've been getting into my fitness. I'm gonna be wearing King Cole. Yeah, alright, I got it. It's the wrap on Rain.